Welcome to the in front of me XIAOMI 11T Pro, and I'll show you how to add or remove home screen widgets on this device. So first, you just have to press for a while on your screen, and now you got here the widgets icon. Tap on this icon, and as can you see, you can choose and select one from these widgets, not just one, a couple of widgets. For example, I'll go in with this clock, and now just here drag it wherever you want. If you want, you can change the position of these widgets, for example here or right here. Also, you can add one more widget on the screen if you want. Just repeat the action, go here to the widgets icon, and for example we will choose the calendar, and just here you can turn. Okay, also you can change the size of these widgets by this way. Okay, and now if you want, you can change the positions of these widgets, so that doesn't matter. If you want, you can give this widget, for example, to the another screen, just you can move that between the screens. Also, if you want to remove this widget, just drag here with your finger to the remove icon, and that's it. If you want to delete this widget, repeat the action. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.